Hey Google, lights on.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a very exciting product. Why do I always do this? I get excited for the intro and I'm like, the intro never matters.
They ask you how you are, you just have to
Sad. Either way, today we're going to be reviewing a keyboard that costs $40. Listen to this. It's white, use Gateron switches, brown, wireless, so Bluetooth, and it's hot swap. It's a 61 key keyboard. I know there's a lot of people that are huge fans of 61 keys, and there's a lot of people that hate that. I'm kind of on the fence, to be honest. I sometimes like it, sometimes don't like it. If I'm gaming, I like it. If I'm not gaming, I don't like it. So, but hey, stay tuned for a giveaway soon. I'm going to be giving away one of my keyboards to one of you guys. Before we get into it, will you do me a favor? Hit that like button for the algorithm. It helps me a lot, it helps with this video a lot, and it doesn't cost you anything. As always, if you're interested in this product, I'll leave the link down below in the description, and if you have questions, also comment them down below and I'll respond to all of them. But yes, without further ado, let's get going. Where'd you come from? I mean, just wow. It looks so good, types so good, feels really good. The switches sound amazing. It's $40. Pretty incredible to see a product this cheap with so many features, like Bluetooth connection, like Gateron switches that are hot swappable, like well done keycaps, TMKB, well done. This is an incredible product. Highly recommend it. And yeah, that was it. Other than that, thank you guys for watching so much. If you guys want me to add anything to my reviews when I review keyboards, I'd love to know them. Obviously, I'm not the craziest professional keyboard person, but I'm just an average consumer that uses keyboards on everyday basis. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.